Okay, I'm back down at the river again today. We're going to be targeting the barbel and chub, and I've just turned to the overgrown swim I fished last time, and this is what it looks like now. The tree's been cut down, the fallen tree, so looking a lot different than last time I were here. Very fishable now. The only problem is that now that those snags have gone from that tree that had fell across the water, is now the snags have gone, the fish have gone as well. There might be some further down, I'm not sure. You might get some hiding under these snags across there, but yeah, the main little bit which was there, there's no fish there at all, so I'm going to have a look further upstream. Okay, so I've come down to this little swim down here. I've found a few barbel further downstream underneath this bush. I've been trickling a bit of bait in. It's a nice steady glide, so hopefully them fish are picking up that bait and getting feeding on it. And what I'm going to do is just roll a bait, free lined bait down the river and see if we can get a bite. Right, now for the bait I'm going to be using on the hook, I'm going to be using these Vortex baits, CKO boosted cocoons, which they are a boilie. That's what they're like. Little cocoons, little shaped cocoons, and they are very effective. Now I wish this camera had a smell sensor on it, because the stink of these things is unbelievable. So yeah, I'll get set up, get one on the hook, and see if we can get one. Pretty decent pike sneaking up the margin there. Right, well, I managed to hook a chub and it's got me caught up in a load of weed. Where's my net? Keeps shaking his head trying to get rid of that bait. Looks a nice chub actually. There we go. Okay, there we go. My first one of the day out that swim. £4.2. Yeah, that absolutely ripped off. I'd just turned around for a piss and stuck the bait runner on, and it absolutely screamed off. Which is why I use bait runners. Can never be too careful if that were a barbel and you didn't have a bait runner on, probably have your rod in. Well, that might do as well, so yeah, I'm getting put back. Okay, so the fish up there stopped feeding. I didn't see them for about 20 minutes, so I've had a little walk down river and found a few fish in this swim I normally fish, and luckily there is a slack on the far side, so the weed's not a problem. Say up there, couldn't keep a line in the water, there was that much weed coming down. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go here and see what it's like. There are fish down there, they don't look as big as the ones that were further up, but we'll have a go for them. Right, so the barbel and chub had disappeared. I had noticed a few pike down there and the odd perch, so just put a worm on, and just at that, cracking fish. There's dorsal up. Yeah, lovely little fish. Straight away that was. Well, there's the pike just shooting off. That's a pike that's just chased this perch. Let's get him put back quietly. Hopefully he'll escape.